Victoria has Australia's best connected system of road, rail and marine transport infrastructure. Over the past decade, government investment in infrastructure has quadrupled. Melbourne rates ahead of other Australian cities on indicators such as electricity, water, communications, transport, traffic congestion and airport accessibility. Melbourne Airport is Australia's second busiest passenger airport and is the main aviation hub for the southern part of the continent. Unlike Sydney, Melbourne is free of curfews. Forecasts predict that passenger numbers will more than double by the year 2027, with significant expansion planned. On the water, the Port of Melbourne is an international trading gateway, ranked among the world's top 50 ports and Australia's busiest, with substantial growth expected. The use of rail and road freight will also increase. Metropolitan Melbourne is expected to grow by 1 million people during the next 20 years, with the north becoming one of Australia's fastest growing corridors. The northern suburb of Craigieburn has been identified as one of 26 Australian suburbs tipped to shape the residential market over the next decade. Nearby Epping is predicted to double in size by the year 2021, with a planned extension to the Epping train line designed to fast-track development. Epping is one of 13 growth areas identified as transit cities by the Victorian government. Melbourne has traditionally been a sought-after city for student learning, with high educational standards and facilities that have now been duplicated in regional areas. Grammar schools, such as the highly rated Ivanhoe Grammar, offer multiple campuses that are already meeting demand in the Northern Corridor. Tertiary studies can be pursued at the established universities of Deakin, Monash, Melbourne and La Trobe, Swinburne University and the Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology. At La Trobe alone, students from over 60 countries study at their 7 campuses across Victoria. The Melbourne campus is located on extensive grounds in the northern suburb of Bundoora, just 14 kilometres from the city centre. Regional Victoria also offers excellent tertiary options, with university campuses that combine relaxed living with high achievement. An hour and a half north of the city, in Bendigo, already identified as a transit city, students at La Trobe can study out of the city and still enjoy daily rail and bus service into Melbourne. Educated investors are looking to the Melbourne suburbs to build their future wealth.